We actually run into that quite a bit, and we do one of two things. We try and put, when there's an error, it's usually not because they're sick. They're just, some of them, it's the learning process as far as reading, but we contact their site foreman and have him deal with it. And the people that have they don't have a smartphone, they either sign in through their foreman or our superintendents, because I always tell our superintendents, I don't want you signing people in because it takes too much time and backs up the line. So either we get their foreman to sign them in, or they figured out a way that they can take, they get a QR scanner. Some of them download that to their phone. But okay, you will run into a situation, because there is quite a few people out there, believe it or not, that still use just the old kind of phones. But try and put it back on the foreman that they work for, and they'll usually take care of it for you. Does that help?
Yeah, we've seen the same type of thing at other sites where perhaps a coworker will then just type in their information for them when they come in.